Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to treat your new bamboo or wood cutting board. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. This is the time and table cutting boards. There's two of them, and they're made out of bamboo. Now, I got these at Walmart for right around $20. You can find them on Amazon, but they're more than twice as much. So I'll have a link to the Walmart one down below if you want to check them out, or if you're interested in purchasing them. For the price, 20 bucks, 10 bucks a piece, I thought it was well worth it. And yeah, I know they make plastic cutting boards, and you don't have to treat those, but for some reason, I just like wood. There's the back of it. Now, like I said, this video is just to show you how to treat them. I really can't do a review on these because, well, I might have to use them for a while and see how they hold up, and that could take some time. But we'll go ahead and show you how to treat them. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is give them a good washing. Get the water going. Now I'm just using the Ajax Ultra Bleach Alternative. Nothing real abrasive. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the drying rack and let it dry overnight so it's nice and dry for our next step. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one too. So we'll check back with you in a little bit. Okay, it's been 24 hours. The board's nice and dry. You're going to want to get a piece of aluminum foil or wax paper, something that's not absorbent, because you're going to be putting oil on this and you want it to soak in the board, not into like a dishcloth or a towel or something. But I'm going to be using olive oil. Some people say use food grade mineral oil. Some people suggest coconut oil. I have olive oil handy. I've used Wesson oil, canola oil. Basically, just use some oil, but not motor oil. Take a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit of oil, put it on the board. Grab yourself a couple paper towels, move it around. And it's going to soak it up pretty fast, as you can tell. But we're going to put on a nice coat of oil. Then let it set for a few hours, probably about 6 or so. Come back, put another coat on it. Now, I know people are wondering, why do you put oil on a wooden cutting board? Well, there's a few reasons. One, it keeps the cutting board from getting dry and cracking. It also helps keep it from absorbing moisture, like if you're cutting vegetables or meat. It keeps all that from going into your board to help prevent growth of bacteria, and cuts back on the smell. Now, I know with like a plastic cutting board, you don't have to do all this. But I don't know, there's something about wooden cutting boards. I'd rather have a wooden one than a plastic one. I'm also going to do the back side. And yes, I know you don't normally cut anything on the back side, but like I said, it helps to keep the board from drying out. There you go. And here's the other one. Give you a comparison to what it looks like. Now you want to do this by every month or so. It just depends how often you use your cutting board, how often you wash it. You'll know when it goes dry. You'll be able to tell. But give this a couple hours, let it soak in, and do another coat of it. If you found this video at all helpful, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button somewhere over here. And as always, thank you for watching.